Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature. Hard road this.
What's up, how's it going, bro? Today we're back for another video of Scammer Exposing, and today I finally fixed my goddamn virtual machine after many months. Sorry, I got to delete some files, so now I got Windows on Mac like you want. Okay, I got the better of the two world, so I'm happy with that, and it worked really perfect. Fluid. I can swipe a MacBook, Windows like that. I can do the button, and I have the run box. I can go on CMD if I want. The CMD will work perfectly. I can do netstat and all the shit. And also I can do system info, but I'm not gonna release my info. But yeah, they work like a real one, same if it is a virtual machine. I'm probably gonna copy it and make a Kali Linux version of another virtual machine. But for the moment, let's call some scammer and see what we can do. Oh, and also, be protected. The VPN, private browsing, secure connection, DNS protection, IPv6 protection. Let's go straight to the call. Alright, let's call some other motherfucking scammers. Let's see what they done. I have a full number here, so I'm gonna call some Chitia. Okay, what's the code?
It's 137209.
Okay, 137209.
Yeah. And then click on download it.
Okay. The download not starting, but I think this is because I disabled JavaScript. Just give me a second, I'm gonna enable JavaScript.
Yeah, it will take a little bit of time. When the download is going to be finished, you need to run that app, right? After running that file, you need to click all the positive things.
Alright,
Like yes, okay, and allow me.
perfect. Okay, so I say pre-op technical support with
It's going to ask you for the server permissions. You need to click all positive permission like yes, okay, allow me.
alright. So now you should see my screen.
What is on your screen right now?
I see premium technical support, and let's say you have granted the full permission to technician. To revoke, click the red X on the toolbar and press. Let's say connecting now.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm connected with you now.
Yeah, just give me a moment.
Your name is Deepak Malik.
Yeah. Your
Oh.
remote is going to be controlled by the name of Deepak Malik, right?
Right. Are you connected to my computer now?
Yeah. Are you able to see that the cursing moving on your screen right now?
Alright. No, I don't see the mouse moving.
Just look it over here.
I see my the mouse flashing, but I don't see it move.
It's my mouse. I
Alright.
will thank you for first of all to sharing the information. I would like to tell you that it's only a one-time sharing permission, and you will be the primary controller during all the session, and you can disconnect the remote session whenever you want to disconnect it.
Alright.
Now just give me a moment.
Yeah, you can refresh the computer a couple of times. It's only a 2 GB RAM, so. Are you connected to my computer now?
Yeah. Are you able to see that the cursing moving on your screen right now?
Alright. No, I don't see the mouse moving.
Just look it over here.
I see my the mouse flashing, but I don't see it move.
It's my mouse.
Alright.
I will thank you for first of all to sharing the information. I would like to tell you that it's only a one-time sharing permission, and you will be the primary controller during all the session, and you can disconnect the remote session whenever you want to disconnect it.
Alright.
Now just give me a moment.
Yeah, you can refresh the computer a couple of times. It's only a 2 GB RAM, so.
It's running away, so you didn't service your computer in the past, sir?
My computer is an Acer.
No, I'm asking you that you didn't service your computer in the past?
Sorry,
When
I
did
don't.
you last serviced your computer?
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you-
I'm asking you, when did you last service your computer?
Maybe during the last TeamViewer connection, when somebody have wiped out everything.
No. Because you are using a computer and you have to service your computer in every regular intervals. And it is not serviced for a longer period of time. That is the reason you are getting all these problems here. That is the reason it is running very, very slow.
Oh yeah.
Because I can check here that 80% of your drivers are stopped at this moment. They are not running at C.
Really?
Look at the extreme right of the screen.
Yeah.
You can see the one I'm highlighting with blue, it is showing stopped.
Yeah, I see it.
And these are the very, very important drivers which have to be in a running state, but they are not running, they are stopped at this moment.
Already. Oh,
And
now,
yes,
now they're running?
I queue the running one, now I queue the stopped one. See, I'm scrolling down these are, they all are stopped. Can you see this?
Yeah, that's how the drivers stop it.
I'm sorry?
That's how the driver that are stop it.
Yeah, they are the stopped ones.
Oh no,
These
that's
are the
very
stopped
bad.
ones.
Really?
I'm scrolling down, almost 70 to 80% of your drivers are stopped, only 20% of your drivers are running.
Oh my god.
Alright. Yes. Only 20% are running, and that's the reason. And if you do not go and work on your computer, it will go to the unfixable state. It might be the possibility that your data at risk.
Okay.
So I do not want to waste much of your time. I will go and see these are the 20% drivers, those who are running. Can you see this?
Yeah, see this?
Yeah. So I do not want to waste much of your time. I will go and tell you the solution so that your computer will be safe and secure. Okay?
Oh, that's perfect.
I will go ahead and providing the cleanup for your computer, tune-up for the computer. We'll go and run a software on your machine so that your computer will be run fine and you do not lose your data as well as your computer. Okay?
Perfect.
We will providing you the one-time fixation, and for that there will be a cost of $8. Okay?
Only $8?
$8.
Oh, no problem.
Alright, we'll go and provide you the fixation. It's just $8. It will be the one-time fixation and your computer will be safe and secure. Okay?
Perfect.
So I'll go and open the form in front of you. You just have to go and fill that form.
Okay. That sounds great.
And I'm sorry.
I say that sounds great. That's a good price.
Yes, I'll tell you because you're calling us first time. That's the reason we are providing it as a goodwill gesture for the one-time fixation. If you like the work on your computer, after that you can go and take the subscription for your computer for the lifetime.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm maybe gonna call again if I got other problem. You seem to have good service.
Definitely. So I'll go and open the form in front of you. Just have to go and fill that form.
Alright, good. Okay, so I mute them, and that's a scammer, that's normal. In every computer that's gonna say that's they're not running, they're stupid. So that's a scammer. Okay, that's clear. A scammer, that's a classic scamming thing. So I'm currently exposing a scammer. It's surely at 100% a scammer. I'm unmute them. And we can see disk virtual machine cost accelerator on the 5 last one down. You don't notice it. So what is that website?
I'm sorry.
What is that website?
I'll do that just along this.
Okay.
Actually, you're getting some problem in your internet as well. Again and again, I'm getting lost in your connection.
You lose my connection? What?
I lost your connection right now.
Really? Oh shit. The page is loading.
Yes, the page is loading, your internet is running slow. So what happens? That's the reason your remote session is disconnecting again and again.
Really? Oh, that's weird.
It's showing reconnecting.
I see the plan. It's $2.99.
Alright, you are from Canada, right?
Yeah, I'm on the page. It's asking for my payment information and bidding
No,
information.
yes, and now I am there. So you are from Canada, right?
Right.
If I go and convert it into Canadian, it will be of $12.
Sorry, what?
I'm saying if I'll go and convert it into, it will be of $12. $8 and the Canadian $12.
Okay, okay, no problem. You still there?
Yes, Mr. Brown, I'm here.
Perfect.
Now, don't click on pay. Don't click on pay. I'll go and fill the second form. And it says the card numbers are incorrect.
Okay, I
Please
see.
go and correct the card numbers. Don't click on pay because I have to go and fill the another form as well. Okay?
Okay.
Just go and correct the card numbers, okay? And leave your mouse. Are you done with that?
Yeah, that's okay.
Now I'm going to copy paste the other form.
Okay. So we're paying 3 times $2.99.
$2.96.
Okay.
Alright, you get it.
All right.
Getting some problems in your internet?
Oh yeah, I got a lot of problem. That's why I'm calling you.
In your internet.
Yeah, my internet connection is really slow. So.
Yes, that is the reason.
Fucking prick. He hung out to the car.